Hi Jurassic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Hagrid from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw this awesome half giant, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come across, say about right here, and draw another circle. Let's come in there and make them Jurassic eyes. So 2 small circles for highlights, an angle, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now we have the eyes, and let's just come to the side right here. I just want to add a little curve right here that just goes right into the circle. Just anchors it a little bit better for the eyes. So just a little curve that comes down, and it makes him look nicer, right? Gentler. Okay, so then let's come to the top right here, and we're going to draw his brow. So right here, I'm just going to give it a soft arch right above his eye. And then we're just going to thicken it up. So bring out a curve and just kind of follow it and come down. So same thing here. Right above his eye, soft arch, and then thicken it up. Then from there we can start to draw his face. So let's come to where his eyes are, and let's say to the top of his eyes. Come out a little bit, about right here. And I'm going to draw kind of like a straight line down on both sides. So say about right here. I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then from here I'm going to bring in a curve that comes to the center and comes right back around. So let's go for it right here. Bring it right underneath the eye, not too far off, but right there. We're going to bring it back to the center. So curve up, go to the center. And then we're going to come down just like the other side. So about right there. And curve right back up. So we're starting to frame in his face for his beard. From there, let's come back to the center part right here. I'm just going to draw 2 curves for his nose. Then underneath this curve, we're going to draw another curve. We're going to have like an oval for his mouth. Right there. And let's bring this out a little bit more. And then at the bottom, just connect it with a soft curve. So just kind of like a little oval right there. Then inside, we're going to give him a smile. So right here, because he's nice, right? So I'm just going to thicken up this curve so you can see a little bit better. It doesn't get lost. And then cap it off. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and start to build his beard and his face. So let's bring this back up a little bit more and curve in. So same thing here. Bring it up and start to curve in. And I'll bring it to about right here on both sides. And right here, I'm going to start to draw his hair. So I'm going to go 1, then a center, and then 1 more. Goes out. And then whatever space you have left, go ahead and just connect it. And then let's come back to the bottom. We're going to draw his beard. So where his face is, I'm just going to start to come down and taper this beard out. So right here, just come down and out. From there, let's bring this down a little bit more, and we're going to bring this down and complete his beard. So bring it down about right there, and I'm just going to wobble all the way down right here. So I'm just going to wobble and come down towards the center to my lowest part, and then come right back up. And wobble once again and connect. There. So not too low, just a nice soft beard. Then from there, let's come back to the top. So I'm going to come to the center, go up, so about right here, the top of his hair. And in this area, I'm going to start to draw a curve and wobble a little bit as well as I come down. So right here, come out and just wobble a little bit as you come down. There. Okay, so I'll draw the rest of his hair later because, oh wait, let me finish this part first, sorry. So right here, the reason we have these curves is so we can draw this part for his hair. So just add 2 curves right there to finish it off. Okay, so then now let's draw his body. So I'm going to come to the center, about right here. I'm going to draw out 2 curves. So this is kind of like the beginning of his jacket. Let's come out about right here for his shoulders. Nice and big, right? Because he is a half giant. And let's bring this down more. And we're just going to slowly work on his jacket. So say about right here. I'll just say that kind of like where his armpits are. I'm just giving myself a point so I kind of know where everything else is. Then from there, let's work on the inside so we can kind of figure out how far to bring things down. Okay, so let's come back in here. The first thing we want to do is just draw this V right here in the center. Bring this down, straight line. And so kind of like where I'm giving myself my armpit area is, I'll just bring this down as well. So I kind of know where we're going. So about right here is armpit. So I'll say about right here is where I'm going to put his belt. So let's come right here and I'm going to draw a curve. I'm going to end it and draw another curve right here. And then in this area, I'm going to come around to draw the buckle. So we just come around and then finish it off. From there, let's bring this line down. Now that we've done the buckle, let me come in here and make it stronger. There. Okay, so then we can bring this down more. Just continue it. And we need to keep bringing this coat down. So say about right here, I'll end it. Just stop and draw a curve to end his shirt inside. And let's see here. Let's come back up here. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out how to make it easier to draw. Okay, so let's come back here before I forget and add a curve. So this is for his collar on his jacket. And let's just continue this up. And bring this down. And let's come right here. We're going to put his legs in here. So to the center, and we're just going to draw 2 slight angle lines. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to end his jacket about right here. So now that we know kind of where his legs are, I'm just going to bring this in. Same thing like the other side. And connect. There. Okay, so then now we can work on his pants. So about right here, I'm just going to give it a slight wobble. And a slight wobble right there as well. And connect it with a curve. Just same thing here. Just give a little wobble. And go up with a curve. So these wobbles are so you can kind of come in here and draw some crease lines. There. And then his shoes. So come out with a line, straight line right here. And then in this area, bring out a curve. And we're just going to connect it. So give a slight angle and up. Nice and simple. And then at the bottom right here, just give him a sole I'll just make it black. There, so same thing here. Okay, and same thing. There. Okay, so we have his shoes in. And then let's see here. Let's draw his arms now. So we're going to bring his arms down. I'm just having them hang out at the side right here. So nice and simple. And I'm going to stop right here and connect it because I want to kind of give him a cuff. It comes out. And then his fingers. So right here, nice big fingers, a thumb. And then his other fingers right here, and you put let's see, put 2 lines right here. And same thing over here. So I'm just dragging a point across in approximately same area on the other side. Give him a little cuff. And connect. And once again, I just kind of want to make sure about right here. So nice big thumb and fingers. There. Okay, so then now we can finally come in here and draw some details on his jacket, his outfit. So about right here, I'll add some pockets. Right here, and you can pop it out if you like. So same thing on the other side. There. And then let's add some buttons on his shirt right here. And some here on his cuff. And some holes on his belt. And finally, let's come in here and finish off his hair. So I'm just going to wave it down, kind of at an angle, and then I'll bring it right back into about this area right here. And just bring it in. And so same thing over here. Just wave it and about right there. Bring it in. There. And last but not least, let's add a heart right here for this half giant from Harry Potter. So it's not my draw. So cute, Hagrid as well. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version of Hagrid here from Harry Potter and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.